In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly into Systemi.io step by step. This simple process is incredibly useful for seamlessly incorporating your Calendly scheduling into your Systeme.io sales funnel, allowing customers to easily book appointments without leaving your web page. To begin, you'll need to log into your Calendly account. Go to calendly.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, click on the login button. You have the option to log in using your email and password, or if you prefer, you can continue with Google or Microsoft. Choose the method that's easiest for you and get logged into your account. Once you've reached your Calendly dashboard, you'll need to generate the HTML embed code for your appointment scheduling. To do so, start by clicking on the Share option. After that, look for the option to add to your website. You'll want to select the inline embed option. This approach will help make your scheduling tool appear smoothly as part of your web page. Go ahead and click continue and then copy the embed code that is generated. Now that you have the embed code, switch gears by accessing your Systeme.io dashboard. Just as before, make sure you enter your login email and password and click sign in once that's complete. Once you're in, direct your attention to the website section by hovering over it with your mouse. When you see the option for sales funnel, go ahead and click on that. Within the sales funnel area, you'll need to select the specific funnel and form where you wish to integrate Calendly. Choose the one that best fits your needs and then click on Edit Page. This will bring you to the page editor where you'll be making the changes. It's now time to add the HTML code to your page. Look for the HTML code element within the editor and drag it onto your page where you'd like the Calendly scheduler to appear. With the HTML element in place, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of this element. This is where you'll paste the HTML code you copied from Calendly. It's important that this step is done carefully to ensure proper functionality. After pasting the HTML code, remember to save your changes. This is crucial to ensure all the effort you've put into integrating Calendly is stored and active on your site. Finally, it's a good idea to preview the page to make sure everything looks and functions as you'd like. Walking through these steps will leave you with a polished and integrated scheduling experience on your Systeme.io page. By following these clear steps, you'll be easily connecting your Calendly account with Systeme.io, providing a professional touchpoint for your clients and yourself.